everyone has a reserved seat in Jahannam, and it's your duty to take yourself out of that seat of Jahannam, and that the secret by awliyaullah is through Durood al-Sharif, that they show the place in Jahannam, especially in Ramadan. Itqum minan nar, they give them their training in seclusions, that constantly they're in a seclusion. In the days of Ramadan, Itqum minan nar is real for them. Allah shows, this is your seat in Jahannam. If you think you're coming and giving your amal to me and I'm going to judge your amal, you have a reserved ticket in hell. That's why we're not coming through amal, we're coming through Allah's rahmah and mercy, that His rahmah be upon us. And then they showed that the only way out of that Jahannam, the only way to stop that fire was Durood al-Sharif, because as soon as you praise upon Prophet the ruhaniyat of Prophet enters into that mushkilat and immediately stops everything. Allah won't bring azab upon the light of Sayyidina Muhammad. We pray that Allah open our hearts to understand, and that we pass through the test, and to be dressed by the love of Allah, love of Sayyidina Muhammad, love of awliyaullah fi samawati wa fil ard bi hurmati Muhammad al-Mustafa wa bi siri Surat al-Fatiha.